Hi, it's Nolan Katerberg here with Ford Driving Skills for Life. We're here in Grand Prairie, Texas at Lone Star Park. We're training teens and parents valuable skills. As you can see behind me, this is actually a vehicle handling course. This course is very important. It shows teens and parents what it's like to lose control of the vehicle. This could simulate like ice and snow, a slippery situation, an oversteer situation where the rear wheels slide. So this course is important. A lot of teens have never felt this before. So we want to show them what it's like to lose control of the vehicle on a controlled environment. We have professional driving instructors sitting right seat with the teens at all times. We've been doing this program for 15 years. We go all across the country training teens. We're actually in 40 countries outside the U.S. as well too. But it's a great step. It's the next step beyond driver's education. So after you have a permit or a license, we invite you to come on out. You can experience it. We go all across the country. If you go to our website, drivingskillsforlife.com, on there you'll actually find a link to register for the event this weekend, along with a notification list. So when we come back to the area, we'll send you a note and let you know when registration is open. Everything we do is free, so definitely take advantage of it.